Hey, welcome back to another episode of Calculus. So today we're going to look at a set of numbers, a relation, and see if it's a function. And we're also going to determine the domain and the range. So what we see here is on the left are the x values, and then to the right of that, and then to the right of each one of the x values are the y values. And I'll put the y values in purple, the x in orange, and the y in purple. So now what we want to know is the domain of this function. So, and if you can see here, what they would have done if they had more space is putting the x here, continue to put 15, and then put whatever is associated to 15. That's what they would have done. But because of space, they put them in a different column. But it's the same thing. So these are the x values in orange, a circle in orange, and the y values are circled in purple. So now we're gonna see. Hey, let's see what the domain is. Domain would be the set of all the x values. So the way you do that is list the numbers that are part of the x values from smallest to the largest one. So now we have, what's the smallest one here? 3. It looks like 3, 5, 8, 10, 15, 21, and 33. And if you had numbers that were repeated, what you would do is keeping and just record them once, so you don't have to put 15, 15 when you're writing set. Whenever you're writing a set. So the way you do it, you put the numbers however many times. It doesn't really matter however many times they're repeated. You just put it once. So and you'll see that for the range. So let's go move on to the range. What's the range? Purple. Let me write it in purple. So the range would be the set of all y values. And you can see here, I put them in purple already, y values. I put them in purple. So it would be 0, 1, 2, and 3. So you see 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So this is what I was saying. You see how we have 1 here and also 1 here, 2 here, and a 2 here, and a 3 here, and a 3 here. We only have to account for them once. So we don't have to write them twice when you write in a set notation. So, and that would be the range. Now, is this a function or just a relation? So the little hint that I like to use is, if I have it written this way, if I have two sets of numbers, one set going to another set. So what I would look for is looking at the x values. So what I'll do here, look at the x values, see if I have anything that's repeated. So I don't have any repeated numbers here. It looks like they're all different. That means automatically I'm going to have a function. That means it's going to pass the vertical line test. I'm going to have a function. And if we had x values that were repeated, then most likely you wouldn't have a function, because what would happen is you would have, let's say you had 3 going to 3, and then you would have also another 3 going to 5 to 1. Thus wouldn't be a function because it wouldn't pass the vertical line test. And that's it. That's all you have to do for this one. And yes, it is a function.